Hi, welcome to JurexNurse.com. I'm Elizabeth Rudolph. I'm your host. I'm an attorney. I'm a nurse just like you, and I'm a professional legal nurse consultant. Be sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss another episode. Today we're going to talk about how to believe in yourself so you can attain PLNC success. And we're going to boil this down to 4 simple steps that you can learn to believe in yourself and increase your abilities. Maybe you've thought about becoming a professional legal nurse consultant, and maybe you've heard others who are PLNCs say, wow, this is such a great profession, or side hustle, or full-time job, or any kind of part-time job. But it piqued your interest and you didn't really know exactly how to go about doing it or becoming certified as a PLNC. But the first thing you were thinking about is, do I have the confidence to be able to do it? And the answer is yes, you do. But let's break down confidence into 4 simple steps so that you can gain the confidence as you go through life. First of all, self-confidence number 1 starts with self-trust. And it's believing in yourself enough to be able to do that which you want to do. So, for example, if you want to complete a task, you have to believe that not only can you do it, but that you can complete it. All right? So sometimes it doesn't necessarily feel good at the beginning, but you go through and you work through the task so that you can get to the end of it and feel like, wow, pat on the back. I actually completed it. It's a commitment to yourself, first and foremost. So number 2, another step that's important in self-confidence, particularly as it pertains to becoming a professional legal nurse consultant, is that you recognize that it is largely a mind game that is self-confidence. It's what you tell yourself. It's what you believe in. It's almost like golf. They say that golf is 90% skill and 10% mind game. Or they have said that it is the reverse. But the bottom line is that it's totally up to you. It's what you tell yourself in the final analysis. So recognize that it's now time to go on and get your certification. That's what it is. It's time in your life. Okay, now thirdly, evaluate the task and think, can I do this to completion? Well, absolutely. You went through nursing school through completion. You can do this without having to obtain another degree, which is so great, is that you don't have to go back to school, quote unquote, and actually get another degree. You already have the nursing skills. You just want to parlay them into the legal arena, which is what the certification would do for you. Now, fourthly, on your confidence builders, realize that the key to success in almost any endeavor is preparation. Prepare, 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 okay? There's no substitute for doing your homework. You may have said that to maybe your children before, okay? But do your research in advance, decide if this course or another course, as the case may be, is appropriate for you, and then follow through. So let's go back and talk about again, just by doing a wrap, if you will, of the 4 confidence boosters that you can use in your PLNC success. All right, number 1, self-confidence starts with self-trust. All right, number 2, recognize that a lot of life is just a mind game. Number 3, evaluate your task completion. And number 4, realize that the key to success in large part is preparation. Your goal is to gain confidence, right? All right. So having said that, close your eyes and ask yourself, what do I need to do to attain my PLNC certification? Now you know the answer. It's register at JurexNurse.com. Okay. If you want to get your free guide to hiking your income, go to JurexNurse.com. If you would, tag us in your Facebook or Instagram stories. But I want to leave you with this last thought. Take 1 action step today towards completing your PLNC certification. You won't regret it. Thank you and have a great day.